Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing what I call a nursery and bedroom reset. We are in the same bedroom. She does not have her own nursery because I want to keep her close to me, but I'm just going to be resetting everything, putting everything away because she's at her dad's right now, and then I always like to clean up her and my bedroom so that when she comes home that she and I can spend a lot of quality time together and I don't have to worry about any messes or anything like that. I just like to have everything clean and put away for when she returns. Okay, so I'll show you guys what I'm going to be cleaning up today. This is her dresser. It has a bunch of stuff that I bought over the weekend while she was gone. I usually take out her diaper trash, take out my trash. This is a lot of her Christmas presents that people just gave her a few days ago. I need to put away. I like to make my bed, clean off my nightstand, and then kind of fix up my vanity desk area as well. But this is the before. I'm probably gonna do a time lapse for you guys. There's some laundry I need to put away as well. That way it doesn't take like a full 2 hours or so to clean my bedroom. But yeah, here it is. Alright guys, I'm starting off by putting away everything that I bought from TJ Maxx the other day. And then kind of just cleaning up her little diapering station. Putting away diapers, filling everything that I need to. And then right here, I'm just putting away my laundry. I use her changing table for a lot of different things, as you can see. Right here, I am just putting away and hanging up all of her clothes that she got for Christmas. She got a lot of clothes, as you can see. Has anybody ever taken apart, like taken the packaging off of blankets and stuff, and there's so many of those little plasticky things on it? I hate that. Right here, I'm just cleaning off my bed. I always feel that when my bed is clean and my sheets and my blanket and the comforter and stuff are just neat, it just makes me feel so much better. Looking at my bedroom, it feels cleaner. And right here, I just keep a lot of her like nail clippers, some hand lotion, her Owlet charging station, all right here at arm's reach because I sleep on this side of the bed right here. Alright, hi guys, I just want to show you guys before the sun sets and my room gets dark what the after looks like. There's my dog. Hi, Kala. Hi. Hello. What you doing? He's happy? Anyway, so here is my bedroom. So this is the after. Cleaned off all the stuff on here. Organized her little diapering section over here. Cleaned out her crib. This is a mini crib actually. Isn't it cute? It's so small. And then cleaned off this, kind of organized it. Picked up some papers, filed them away, made my bed, and I kind of cleaned up this area over here. Yeah, it's just odds and ends things that I use every day. A breastfeeding station is what I call it. Here's my LV pumps charging. Yeah, and yeah. Have you guys ever had these before? The Lilikoi high chews, so good, they're my favorite. I like to keep body armor stocked up because in my opinion it helps with my milk supply. So I have Tropical Punch, and Fruit Punch. Tropical Punch is one of my favorites. It kind of tastes like pineapple mixed with other stuff, but yep, that's everything. This is the overview of what my bedroom looks like now that it's clean. Hi, Kava. Yep, can't wait for my daughter to come home. Our bedroom is nice and clean.